first question to both Kate and Nia, and happy for who goes first. Is vaping legal, and what are the legal implications?
Kate, would you like to speak?
Okay, thanks. Yeah, well, look, in terms of children, there's essentially nothing legal about vaping. So can you keep going with the slides, please, Kim? Thank you. So these are examples of vapes that contain nicotine. So any vape that contains nicotine is not legal to be used by a child or an adult unless you have a script from your doctor for its use. It's illegal to sell any type of e-cigarette or vape or vaping device to a child under 18 years of age. It's illegal to promote, display, market these devices, and it's illegal to use them in smoke-free areas as well. One thing to say about the Tobacco Act is that it is about putting the onus on the people who sell these devices to children rather than making it an illegal act for a child to use it.
Would you like to add anything more? Do you need the next slide?
Next slide, yes, please. And also, just to give context as well, in the UK, they are, because they're more proponents of e-cigarettes, they're actually allowing them in some smoke-free areas, whereas in Australia it is illegal to have them, to smoke them in, to vape them in smoke-free areas. So yes, as Kate said, it is tricky because you do not want your child to get prosecuted or fined and for a criminal record. And as Brenda highlighted, she is actually trying to put the onus on the retailers. Because you don't want, and obviously the police feel very under the pump as well on what they can do to prosecute the minors. You don't want that, and it won't potentially put them off. Obviously, we've had, as a parent at the school my kids are at, they've had issues, the black and white of selling on. So some girls have been suspended and expelled from my daughter's school because they were actually sourcing them from Newcastle, New South Wales, and then selling them on to borders, which is surprising and shocking for parents who trust their child to schools. So obviously that's a child who would get prosecuted.